Hello and welcome to the MSTAR training session to generate the personalization sheets for duplicate OMV cards for employees. In this, you will be able to generate the personalization sheets where the employee cards were already made earlier and now they need to be re-personalized due to loss or any other reason. The screen for generating the personalization sheet for duplicate cards is also same. Now let us see how to generate the sheets for duplicate cards. Click on the button M star and select module HRMS. The name of the module appears on the main screen, which means that you are now working in the HRM module. Click on the button Activities and select the screen personalization sheet. As we can see on screen, select an employee type. On selecting the teaching employee type, it will display the list of teaching employees. The option non-teaching will display the list of non-teaching employees, and if we select all, it will display the list of all the employees whose OMV cards have already been personalized earlier. So let us select an option. After selecting the employee type, click on the button Duplicate Personalization Sheets. As you click, you will see that the list of employees are appearing in the grid along with the photographs. The columns that it is displaying are the default columns that were selected for the sheets generation. It is showing us the serial number, employee ID, employee type, which is whether the teaching employee type as selected, employee name, which is the first and the last name of the employee, date of joining, mobile 1, image and date of birth. The mobile 1 and date of birth columns are added additionally, whereas the other columns are the default columns. To generate the personalization sheet, click on the button Generate OMV Card Personalization Sheet and a window for selection of employees for personalization is displayed. In this, you can see the list of all the employees as per the grid, and in case required, specific employees can be selected by clicking on the square button next to the employee name. If for all employees it needs to be generated, then click on the button Select All, or in case you want to remove the selections, click on the button Deselect All. So, in case specific employees needs to be selected, click on the square button against the employee name and click on button OK. Now you can see that the Excel sheet has got generated from the personalization screen. The sheet can be used for verification by employees if required and to be submitted to MGRN after verification. Since the cards have already been personalized for these employees, therefore changes in the fields like employee name, date of birth or the photograph of the employee cannot be done from the front end. Therefore, the sheets can be verified physically and submitted to MGRM for the changes in OMV card. Also, before generating the personalization sheet, ensure that the Excel is installed on the PC and the date settings of the Excel is date, month and year. In case required, you can also click on the button Select Columns for Personalization Sheet and select additional columns or remove additional columns as required, clicking on OK on this window after selection of specific fields and clicking on the Duplicate Personalization button again. The grid for the employee list gets refreshed. So in case there is a change in the OMV card template or the printing parameters, the same can be done. Otherwise, if the screen is once saved with the new columns, it will show the same columns upon every time the screen is open. Click on the clear button to clear the screen and repeat these steps as required for generating the duplicate card personalization sheet. Thank you for watching this video.